Hey there, if you are using Lovable for your project and looking for a reliable and working extension that will help you to freeze your Lovable credit while you are sending unlimited prompt, build anything in your Lovable project, then this video is for you. And also, if you are previously using any other extension that is currently not working and looking for a really working, reliable extension, then this video is also for you. So, in this video, I'm going to show you from installing the extension to apply the prompt to different project. We will check the balance of credit we have now, and we will do everything live, everything end to end. Okay, so first of all, some of you may thinking that this is the pre-recorded video and well, you are getting manipulated. No, let me show you just here. Let me reload. It's 3:20 a.m. right now here in my local time, and also I'm going to use the extension. Okay, and you can see here I do not have installed the extension yet, so let me install the extension first here. Once I just added the extension, it asking me to activate with the license key. So let me put the license key so that we can just uh, activate it. Okay, so here let me activate it. Okay, so the extension has activated. You can see it's automatically added here and just activated. So let me show you one more thing. The current version of the extension is 16.56, but when you are watching this video it can be the same version, but we also working to update the extension all the time, so it can be the other version. Okay, but that is not the matter because it is working. And if you see something like 16.56 plus, that means we updated this version. But if you see the exactly same version right now in our website, then the extension is actually working, and that is also fine. So here one more thing I want to show you just in a moment. You will see here in our download page, when you will come to our website, you will get the extension website link in the description of this video. So you will see the current version here, 15.65 56 now, but when we change, you will also see the updated version name here. Okay, so let's get back to the work. Now I have the extension installed into this account. So for let me open the project just in a moment. Here, let me reload the page first, and then I will open a project where I will just implement some tasks. Okay, here you can see this is just a simple project here, and I was also using the extension previously. Here you can see we have made some changes, but I'm going to make some more changes here in front of you. So in this website, the landing page, we have the light mode and dark mode. Okay, so the light mode is just looking good, but we want to make some changes on dark mode. When we switch to dark mode, you can see the button gets white, and also this section is not looks good. So we will improve these options. Okay, so let me send it a prompt so that it can change the button color, okay, in the dark mode, and also this card. Okay, so let me also get an screenshot so that I can send it to the Lovable while I will just talking about these issues. Okay, so here let me send both of the screenshots so that you can see also the screenshot is also working. And I'm going to send the prompt first so that you can see it. Okay, so I added the screenshot to screenshot, and also I write a prompt here. Into the prompt, I just trying to say Lovable that we want to keep our button color same as the light mode, the red and white combination, as well as this section color also you want to keep same like red and white. Okay, so let me send the prompt so that we can see if it's working. And also before sending the prompt, I want to show you that you can see I have daily 5 free credit into this account, and there are no other credits, okay, no other pro credits. So I'm going to send this prompt so that we can see if everything is working or not. Let it send. When you send the prompt through the extension, that it might take a few seconds to send to Lovable, so that Lovable can get you complete the task without spending any credit. Okay, so yeah, the prompt has been sent. Let me reload the page once again if I want to see. You can see here it's now working. Yeah, it's applying text edit or some other changes that I wanted to make, basically for the dark mode theme color option. So let it complete. Then okay, so it's saying that I have updated the design to ensure buttons remain red and the call to action section maintains the high contrast appearance in both light and dark mode. Okay, so here it actually saying that it implemented the plan that we gave it to you. Okay, so now let me just go to the dark mode and see here. It actually updated the button color as well as this section color. Okay, you can see if we switch to the dark mode, light mode, and now the button color and this call to action section color is just consistently showing the right way. So now you can see here the extension actually working just fine, and I showed you in front of you. And also my credit is 5 credit is still there. And also if I want to show you how many time it takes, it worked for 30 seconds and used credit is 0. So everything is working, the extension is just fine working. So you need to just get the extension from our website. You can get it. And also let me go back, let me work on another project so that you can confirm that it's working with any project. So let me open another project, like let's say for this one I just opened another project here. In this project, we also previously working, and here, let me make some changes. What I can change here, like let's say for the into the login form, we want to add rate limit. Okay, so here is the prompt. Just giving it to send to Lovable. Okay, and see how it actually responds. Okay, and what it actually do for the prompt. So it's sending now. And as I said that when you send prompt through the extension, it takes you a few seconds. Yeah, now it's thinking. Okay, so the prompt has been sent and everything is live in front of you. Okay, so it's not the edited or pre-recorded videos. So you can see here also the time. Let me reload again. It's 3:29. And also let me go back and show you. You can see the prompt sent a minute ago, 3:28 a.m. Okay, and you can see this running database migration for contacts, changing data. Okay, everything is changing and working just fine. So it's not edited or pre-recorded video. So everything is live in front of you and you can see everything I'm doing. Okay, so now let me show you. So I have implemented multi-layered rate limiting for the contact form to prevent spam and abuse. Okay, so what basically it does, it added the rate limiting into the contact form, that no one can spam this website by submitting the form again and again. So you can see here this extension is working the same well for the front end of your website or the back end of your website. Okay, no matter what you are want to implement in your project, it's actually doing its job perfectly. So I think this is good enough evidence and working example to make this extension proof that this is actually still now working. I showed you two different projects, but I can show you many projects, but it may take more time. So I think there is enough what I already showed you. everything live, as I said, and the prompt we sent did not consume any credit. We installed the extension, the current version, as I said, 16.56. Okay, and you can just go to our website here. Okay, once you go to our website, into the pricing section, you will see the price. Like, we have the many different price, like monthly, also 3 months, 12 months, also 7 days. Or if you want to try this extension, then we also have $2 24 hours trial, but we don't have any free trial right now. So if you want to give it a test, then you can get $2 trials, but we always recommend to get you at least 1 month plan, because it worth, and also it will give you the full freedom to work with your project. Okay, so anyways, once you get the extension license, just go to our website download page and put your license. The license delivery will be instant automatically once you complete the process. Okay, here you just put the license and download your extension and just use it as I showed you earlier in this video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I think you get the idea how this extension is working and how powerful it is right now. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.